Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notifications in the Packeta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and click on the notifications button. And here you can set several notification buttons on. And if you want to enable notifications about changes, just click on the white circle. And if you also want to get notifications on marketing updates, then you can enable that as well. And here you can see that it's all turned on now. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.